How to turn off Snapchat email notifications. So what you're gonna do is to go here directly to your Snapchat application and it will lead you here to your camera section, right? Now on the upper left, you see your Bitmoji. Click on that and click on the gear icon. Now here on your settings, what you're gonna do is you're gonna look for the notifications option there. Click on that and you'll see a lot of notifications, right? Now, so let's say you want to just turn off the Snapchat email notifications, such as contents about getting friend suggestion, new lens updates, and many more. So all you have to do is to toggle off the promotional messages there. So basically, you won't be notified about all the promotional messages, such as your friend suggestions, and of course their new lens that they've actually created every time. So basically, that's how you turn off your Snapchat email notifications. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.